Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about my latest obsession, dark academia. So recently, the Pinterest craze that I am all over at the moment is the dark academia aesthetic. I am absolutely obsessed with it. So I have my little candle here, thumb's bleeding where I accidentally cut it earlier. We're totally on brand. So today specifically, we're talking about how to look dark academia. I love this look. It plays into a lot of what I already know. I traditionally dress quite classic, chic, elegant. So I have a lot of the pieces that you need to go into dark academia. So I'm going to go through a few rules and a few things you should have a look out for. And at the end of this, there will be a lookbook, so make sure to stay until the end, or in the description there'll be a timestamp so you can see where the lookbook is. So first of all, dark neutrals. Dark academia has a very specific colour palette. You can play with it a little bit, and I'm going to with a couple of looks today, but essentially you're looking at blacks, dark browns, tan, burgundy, a strong white, navies are good as well. Rule 2 is modesty. So there's not a lot of skin showing in dark academia looks. You're supposed to be covered, you're studious. It's a professional kind of outfit. Next one kind of goes into modesty, but boyish. You want lots of trousers, high necks. That's kind of why you want to be covered, because you're copying kind of the traditional suit look, and you can add a bit of femininity in here and there, as I'm going to try and do. But generally the shape that you're going for is quite a boyish shape in your outfits. Details are very, very important. Dark academia likes intricacy, so ruffles, lace, brooches, pocket watches, little flowers in lapels, just very subtle details. It should be fun, and that's how you take it from a pretty boring average outfit into dark academia. You want to draw from vintage and countryside looks, so tweed is very good. So little things that you'd wear in the countryside mixed with things you'd wear in the big city. So finding that nice blend is really good, but definitely bring in the countryside. You want to look like you're in Oxford, basically. And vintage as well. I mean, if you check out Ruby Grange's video, you'll see a lot of quills and things from like the 19th century are really good to bring in to your outfits. Think Jo March in Little Women, that kind of intricacy and detail. So make sure that there's a lot of casual in there. This bit is what's hard for me, because a lot of my outfits tend to be quite formal outfits. Like I say, I'm into sort of elegant, classic sort of dressing, which doesn't have a lot of room for casual items of clothing, whereas dark academia, you have one sort of formal, intricate piece and the others are very casual, and you're not supposed to look like you're going somewhere fancy. You're supposed to look pretty relaxed, like you're studying, and it shouldn't feel uncomfortable to wear. So a few pieces that you could bring in if you want your aesthetic to be very dark academia: a tweed blazer, a pocket watch, a black blouse, anything with ruffles or lace, like I said before, a leather belt, some loafers, socks. Socks are big. I'm actually kind of dreading filming this video because it's the middle of summer. Dark academia is very much an autumnal, winter sort of look, but I'm really into it. Maybe I'll later along the line do a video on how to look dark academia in summer. Fringes, plaits, very dark academia. You basically just want to look like you're going to school, but with a twinge of the classic, the studious, the dark, all of that comes in, the gothic. Just if you bring all of that into like your everyday wear, essentially. So with all that said, let's get on with the lookbook.